in Hyderabad of course is whether it is I always say whether it is Jubilee Hills, Panjagutta, Secunderabad, Malakpet, everything is city. Whereas it's not city for us. I mean that way we are very different in Cyberabad. But still we are coping up. We are trying our best to do certain aspects of policing, traffic policing, mostly copying from our neighbor Hyderabad City Police, trying to copy a lot of things and trying to implement it. Of course, we do have e-challan system and all, but then there are a lot of things, a lot of hitches there. So what I just want to say is, what is the perspective of a policeman, of a traffic policeman, vis-a-vis a common man? As somebody was saying, he would like to go home early. He doesn't want traffic congestions on the road. He doesn't want but normally a policeman tries to look at how much of regulation I am doing, how much of traffic signals are there, how many cases I am booking, how many. See, this is where I think I'll have to come out of this thinking for some time towards your thinking. That is, making life a little more comfortable, less of challenge, less of regulation. Similarly, you should perhaps think of coming from your thinking towards in the sense somewhere we have to meet civic life. The civic sense has to prevail, where you have to respect the common man has to respect the laws and the rules a little more, and we need that. You see, I always remember why I'm saying this is I always recall when I was working in anti-corruption wing. We always think how many cases you have booked, how many corruption cases you have booked, how much is the volume of corruption. I mean, if by booking 10 cases today for 1 year, if I can bring down the corruption levels in the society among the public servants, that is what I should think is a great achievement for me, rather than during my time I booked 20 lakh worth of a trap case or 1 crore worth of a DA case, disproportionate case. What I want to say is this: where we can think of coming together on a common acceptable idea about traffic management, respect for the traffic rules and the law of the land. That is what I just have in my mind. And with a lot of alternative modes of transport, as our friends have said about HMR or the metro MMTS project too, or in fact if we start thinking slowly that we should avoid using our own four-wheeler on the road like many other cities do, using of public transport more and less of our own transport kind of a thing, perhaps things will certainly improve. And especially with regard to the traffic in our IT area, we do have a lot of systems in the sense